up you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be trying out the Peripera ink lip tints. I've been wanting to get my hands on Korean lip tints for a really long time. I think Nykaa has a Tour House, which is like another one of the most popular lip tints in Korea, but I was never able to get my hands on the shade that I wanted. It was like always sold out. Every time I'd watch like a Korean YouTuber, they'd always have this in their bag, and like it's one of the very popular lip tints there. It's always so expensive to buy something of like an international website, and I'd like never pay so much for a lip tint, so I was really hoping that Nykaa would get it, and then Macron came through and there it was, so I got it as soon as I could. I'm gonna be trying out the Peripera ink lip tint, and yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so this is how sparkling pink looks on me. I've never really been the one to buy like bright pink lip colors, but recently I've been into like experimenting more out of my comfort zone and just try different things. Tried doing the gradient Korean lips. Not really sure if I quite succeeded in doing that. There's like a bunch of different colors and formulas in Peripera lip tints, and I'm like really fond of this one, so I might get a few more. Next up, I'm gonna be trying Celeb Deep Rose. When I was doing my research, internet told me that this one was the most popular Peripera ink lip tint, and there's also Beauty Peak Rose that's really popular, but they're kind of like similar shades, so I decided on getting sparkling pink. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take this off and try Celeb Deep Rose now. So this is how Celeb Deep Rose looks on me. Again, I could have done a better job at doing gradient lips. Personally, I prefer anything like Celeb Deep Rose on my lips because I really like dark colors on me. I also wanted to buy like a coral lip tint because again, coral has been a very tricky color. I don't know, for some reason I always felt like I couldn't pull it off. 90% of the times I'm just wearing my MAC lip liner, and now I'm just so in love with it. Even my sister loves this so much that she's like, we should get more colors. Let me know in the comments down below which color did you like the best. I bought mine from Macron Beauty, so you can check it out there. I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next one.